I did some modifications on this Black Widow exhaust for the Virago 1100. Basically I used a hole drill, or I'm not sure what's it called, welded a piece of steel bar onto it and just drilled a 16mm hole down in the middle. Well, that definitely made it more noisier, louder. I would say maybe it's even too much now. Our long-term plan is to make a custom exhaust for this one, to be honest, because I want that very, very deep rumble without the raspiness, crackling noise. So I just don't like it. If I can, I'm gonna pull over, show the bike around. that was noisy, very noisy. Too much. Gotta work on that a little bit. It's a little bit too much. Full throttle. There was a bit of a hesitation. Oh, here we go. It's gone. All right. Let's have a look of this. The recording good. Let's have a look if you can see it. Lovely 97 Virago. I did a complete rebuild on the engine, not the bottom end, but the whole top end. That's been done. All the barrels being off, everything had to be done because the previous owner didn't adjust the valve clearances. So it messed up the valve seat. Otherwise, it's a really good bike. So I drilled the exhaust out in there. Probably you're not gonna see anything in there. Long drill down there, and yeah, sounds loud. Probably running a bit rich because of it. I'm not sure. I'm gonna check the spark plugs, but yeah. There it goes. Lovely little bike. Seat looks nice, feels nice by the touch, but sitting on it a couple of hours and you can feel your bottom in a not nice way, unfortunately. But I just gotta stop for petrol stations more often, I guess, and then you're good. It's got the spoked wheels, which I think looks alright. Cleaning, not very good, but hey, something. It's got a bit of a rust here and there. Well, that one there, not too bothered. Gonna get it re-chromed probably this winter. Well, we'll see. Royal Enfield, such a good chap. He thought I broke down and tried to help. Yay. Alright, let's get back on this. Now I have to stop for petrol. I'm not sure. This 114. I think I'm gonna wait for the light to come on, to be honest. Did the oil light come on? I didn't see the oil light. Let's have a look. It only comes on. It's a little bit silly. It only comes on to let you know it's working when you press the starter. And as soon as it starts, then it goes away. And it's only like an oil level light, it's not oil pressure light. Same with the fuel. It only comes on like a brief moment when you start it, and that's it. So it's just slow. Yeah, they both were on. So that means they're both working, so they tell the level. Is that on here? Oil level. So if it comes on, it's low. Fuel level comes on, it's low. Here we go. It's gonna be made by them. Oh, that was like a little bit close. Yeah, no, I can't see the light. Slow cruisers, eh? Oh, who is this on the front? Seriously?